First, press the programming switch located on the back of the door. Start key to move forward. Pound key to go backwards. A to enter. C to back out. Number 1 goes up within a submenu. Number 2 goes down within a submenu. Number 3 and number 4 scrolls you to the next digit once you're already inside a submenu. Press B to exit programming. Hi, today we will learn how to program motors under the option machine composition. When programming channels, you need to learn the connection addresses of each plug, with a total of 8 tray connections, starting always at the bottom. You have plug number 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. It is important to keep in mind that if you have 6 or 7 trays, plugs not being used will not appear on the programming. Now you understand the machine has a maximum of 8 trays. You also need to know every small tray has a total capacity for 7 connectors. Starting from left to right, connector 1, connector 2, connector 3, connector 4, connector 5, connector 6, and connector 7. Now we scroll forward with the start key until you see the option machine composition. Then we press A to enter. First let's erase motors which are not connected. Press C to delete and enter the password 1212. You will see it flash a couple of times. 1212 is performed after every tray adjustment. Then press 1 to start programming. The first question the machine will ask is what selection number you like to program. Let's use number 11 as an example. Now the second question the machine will ask is what channel you like to set as number 11. So you will see 3 numbers appear on the screen. 111 from left to right. The first 2 numbers represent the tray plug numbers, which could be 11 through 18. Starting always at the bottom, you have plug number 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. It is important to keep in mind that if you have 6 or 7 trays, plugs not being used will not appear on the programming. Also, the third number on the right represents the channel or motor connector. Here is another reminder. Starting from left to right, connector 1, connector 2, connector 3, connector 4, connector 5, connector 6, and connector 7. By pressing the start and the pound key, we can go up and down in connector numbers, which will automatically recognize the next tray plug and tray motor plug, as shown on the video. Notice the numbers jump from 127 to 141, which means plug number 13 is not being used. Now, let us show you how to program a couple of trays. Starting at the top left with selection number 11. In this case, the motor for 11 is 181. Then press A to save, and letter C to back out. Continue with number 12. Enter the last program channel 181, and press start key. The next motor connected will automatically appear. Then press A to save, and letter C to back out. Now enter selection 13. Then the last program channel 184, and start key to jump into the next connector channel. Then press A to save, and letter C to back out. Move on to selection 21. Usually the next tray below starts with 17, and the first motor connected as 1, for 171. Then press A to save, and letter C to back out. Move to selection 22. Then, enter 171, and press the start key to find the next channel connected. In this case is 174. Then press A to save, and letter C to back out. Now selection 23. Just repeat, enter the last programmed channel 174, and start key to find the next channel. Then press A to save, and letter C to back out. Moving on to selection 31. In this case the next plug down is 16, and the first channel 1. For 161. Then press A to save, and letter C to back out. Now 32. Following the sequence, enter 161 and start key to find the next motor connected. Continue with 33, then 163 and start key to jump to the next channel. Then press A to save, and letter C to back out. And for the last example number 34, then enter 165 and start key to find the next motor. Then press A to save, and letter C to back out. Keep in mind, most of the time you will skip tray numbers. For example, plug 18 is connected, but 17 might not be in use, which means you have to try 16, and so on.